we will start our lesson 1 of geography, India size and location. In this lesson, we will study about the size of India and location of India on globe. As well as in this lesson, we will study about the timeline of India and what is the importance of timeline of India. We will study about coastal line of India and relation of India with other countries, not only in present time, even in the past time also. In the past time, such as so many powers came to India by the mountain passage and through the ocean routes also. So in this lesson we will discuss how those people came to India and make relation with India, and we will study about the neighboring countries of India. Now first of all we will study about the location of India. Location of India. India is very big country, and in this country on the globe we can see the location of India, such as India lies between 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudinally it is between 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. It means whole India lies in northern eastern hemisphere. Whole India lies in northern eastern hemisphere. We can represent this location of India on globe also. As you know, on the globe there are latitudes and longitudes. But what are latitudes? What are longitudes? The lines which are drawn parallel to equator, these lines are the latitudes. So lines which are drawn parallel to equator and drawn from east to west, all these lines are latitudes. In the same way, on the globes there are longitudes also. But what are longitudes? On the globe, in the center there is 0 degree line, that is known as prime meridian line. As equator divide India into two parts, in the same way prime meridian also divide India into two equal parts. The right side part is known as eastern hemisphere and this part is known as western hemisphere. So whole India lies in northeastern hemisphere. So now we can represent this location on the globe also, such as above equator from 8 degree up to 37 degree India lies. But Tropic of Cancer is the line that passes from the middle of India, that lies on 23.5 degree north. This line is the major latitudinal line, and this Tropic of Cancer divide India into two equal parts. It means Tropic of Cancer is the important line for India that divide India into two equal parts. The part that lies above Tropic of Cancer, this is known as North India, and the part that lies in its south, that is known as South India. So Tropic of Cancer is the important line that divides India into two equal parts. So we can say that whole India lies in northeastern hemisphere. But there are two important island groups also which lies on both sides of India: Andaman Nicobar Island groups and Lakshadweep Islands. Andaman Nicobar Island groups, they lie in Bay of Bengal, and another group Lakshadweep Island that lies in Arabian Sea. So this location of India that is very important for us. Now we will study about size of India. The total geographical size of India, that is 3.28 million square kilometer. So we can say that India's size, that is not so large and not so small, but if we will see in the reference of world, India has 7th position